cannot believe this, but I'm officially a Houstonian. I have officially left the nest. My stay-at-home daughter era is over, and I'm gonna show you guys my semi-empty apartment tour, because when my mom and I landed, we just hit the ground running. So there are a few things that are a little bit set up in the apartment, but I just wanted to give you guys a visual overview of how my space looks, because I will be bringing you along the journey of how I decorate, accessorize everything. So let's jump into this semi-empty apartment tour. Welcome to my home. Alrighty, in the front entrance we have the island greeted right in front of us, and this is the kitchen. I absolutely love the open concept, and I love these pendant lights too. Like I said, this is going to be a semi-empty apartment tour because me and my mom hit the ground running the first 2 days, buying as much stuff as we can before she has to head back home. So shout out to my mom for being here helping me. So walking this way from the entrance, I have just a coat closet, and then in here I have my pantry, which I love this pantry. I think this is a pretty large pantry for a solo apartment. Like, it literally just keeps going. And I don't know about my little bitty self eating that much stuff with this large pantry, but we'll see. And right next to the kitchen, you are also greeted with this office nook. And honestly, this is probably my favorite part of the entire apartment because I do work remotely. So this is perfect just to have a separate office where I don't really have to have my desk in my bedroom, but you know, just to get away in a separate section of the apartment. And I love this because it has so much space in it. So just to give you guys another angle, that is the front door. And then boom, the office nook is right here. I love the archway that it has, and lots of storage. That's an amazing thing too. So like I said, I just have it slightly staged up. I haven't even gotten a lot of stuff yet. And just to give you guys an idea of how much storage, these are how deep the cabinets go. And also cabinet at the bottom, also deep. Found this chair the other day, which I love, so I am going for like a neutral theme. I think this was so adorable, but because of the wood fixture at the bottom, I'm not too crazy about that. So me and my mom are going to actually paint that matte black, just to kind of have like black hardware out here in like the living room and kitchen area. So yeah, I'll show you guys how that turns out. I'm probably going to film that too. But this is the kitchen island again, just to give you guys an idea of how tall the bar is. It's not like too tall, so I love that, but it's very long. I'm thinking about either putting 3 bar stools or maybe even 4. And moving on into the living room, nice open concept. So I'm not going to show you guys the outside for privacy reasons, but I do have a wraparound balcony. So of course, going out through that door, all of these windows wrapping all the way around to there is a wraparound balcony, which is amazing. And I love this thing. I'm going to do a review on this, y'all, but this is my favorite big girl toy right now. I used this the other night. This is the Decor iFloor 2, and it is a vacuum mop. So as you can see with my hardwood flooring, it was going to be really smart for me to get a vacuum mop. It just made a lot of sense. So I'm excited to get a TV console and really set up this living room space. I went to Pottery Barn today, so I kind of visualized how my sofa is going to look in here. Really excited about that, and also getting a nice area rug, nice floor lamp, nice floor mirror. Y'all know I love my mirrors, and of course some accent chairs. And right off from the living room, this is my bedroom. Like I said, this is a semi-empty apartment tour. I did get my bed in when I moved in because I had already ordered it. So I'm waiting on my box spring to arrive, so the bed itself is going to be raised up. And I am obsessed with this bed. Now this bed is something that I've had saved on my Pinterest board for an idea for the longest, and I think I had it spot on. I'm going to show you guys a picture to show exactly what I'm talking about. You cannot tell me I did not match this bed perfectly. It is amazing. I'm going to link it down in the description box down below for you guys to find it, because I did purchase this on Amazon. So as you can see, we went shopping today again, so still trying to get that set up. And this is how it looks. Nice tall windows. So I'm going for a neutral theme in my bedroom as well. Really all over the apartment, so you know I can seasonally change things up. If you guys remember that I did bring my artwork from home, so I'm gonna end up putting this in the bathroom because I'm going for a luxury hotel bathroom theme. So right through this door is the bathroom, and right off from the door is my linen closet, which I'm going to get set up nicely soon. Again, I'm going for that luxury hotel theme, so I wanted to go with matte black to go with the silver hardware. And then this is the main reason I chose this apartment. Y'all know I love my walk-in closets, so we're definitely going to figure out this closet situation because I have a lot of stuff. Clearly I still have to unpack, but you know, just getting set up for storage for like my shoes, perfumes, accessories, all that stuff. And I went with all matte velvet hangers, or not matte, but like black velvet hangers. So yeah, I'm obsessed with this walk-in closet. Perfect size, even though I did purge a lot of stuff before I left because I ended up shipping my car and like moving things inside the car when I shipped it. But I do have a tub and a walk-in shower. And right off to there, I have the hallway that greets you right back into the entryway. So right off from that, this is my laundry room. Very simple, just washer and dryer. But yeah, this is it, you guys. This is my very first solo apartment, and I'm so excited and share with you guys how it's gonna look when I am completely done decorating it. But yes, cheers to new beginnings, new state, new era. This is the end of my stay-at-home daughter era. Now I'm in my grown woman era, and I am so excited about that. Let me know what you guys think about my new apartment, and I will talk to you guys later in my next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at the OKae, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.